Defeatism is the tendency to expect failure before you have given yourself a real opportunity to succeed. It can make challenges feel pointless, convince you that effort will not change the outcome, and cause you to withdraw before anything has actually gone wrong. Sometimes defeatism develops after repeated setbacks, criticism, disappointment, or long periods of feeling powerless. The important point is that expecting failure is not the same as knowing the future. Understanding where this mindset comes from can help you recognize when your expectations are protecting you from disappointment rather than accurately describing reality. Number 1. You expect failure before you begin. When you have become accustomed to disappointing outcomes, your mind may predict failure automatically. Instead of asking what you can realistically accomplish, you may immediately focus on why the attempt will not work. This reduces motivation before the challenge has even started. Number 2. Past setbacks have become your evidence. Previous failures can become powerful mental references. You may remember what went wrong more easily than what went well, then use those experiences to predict what will happen next. The past can provide useful lessons, but it cannot guarantee that a new situation will produce the same result. Number 3. You doubt your ability to influence outcomes. Defeatism becomes stronger when you believe that your actions will make little difference. If you feel that success depends entirely on luck, other people, or circumstances outside your control, trying can seem pointless. This can create a cycle where reduced effort produces fewer opportunities for improvement. Number 4. You protect yourself from disappointment. Expecting failure can sometimes feel emotionally safer than hoping for success. If you convince yourself that something will not work, you may feel less vulnerable when things go badly. The problem is that this protection can also prevent you from becoming excited, taking opportunities, or discovering what you are actually capable of. Number 5. You compare yourself with people who are further ahead. Constant comparison can make your own progress look insignificant. You may focus on someone else's current results without seeing the years of effort, mistakes, resources, or support behind them. This can create the false impression that you are already too far behind to catch up. Number 6. You interpret difficulty as proof you cannot succeed. Every worthwhile goal involves obstacles, slow progress, and imperfect attempts. But when difficulty is interpreted as evidence that you are incapable, one setback can quickly become a reason to quit. Learning to see difficulty as part of the process can prevent temporary obstacles from becoming permanent conclusions. Number 7. Defeatism has become a habit of thinking. Repeatedly expecting failure can become an automatic mental pattern. A challenge appears, negative predictions follow, motivation drops, and avoidance provides temporary relief. Breaking this cycle starts with questioning the prediction and taking one realistic action before deciding that the outcome is already determined. Defeatism can come from expecting failure, relying heavily on past setbacks, doubting your influence, protecting yourself from disappointment, comparing yourself unfairly, misinterpreting difficulty, and repeating negative predictions. You do not need to convince yourself that everything will succeed. You only need to stop treating failure as a certainty before you have tried. A realistic mindset allows uncertainty, effort, setbacks, learning, and the possibility of progress to exist at the same time.